All right, I don't know, you probably can't see it down there because of the lens on this camera, but I got it strung, pulled it all through as tight as I could. Obviously, some of the cable is looping down to the water jug and then back up to the tarp through the eyelets. You can only pull it so tight by hand. You're not really lifting those jugs off the ground. Certainly not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 12 of them. So you pull it through, you start where there's slack and you pull it all the way around as best you can, and you just start turning the twist knob on there, and it's got like a ratchet. It'll detent, so it won't loosen up on you. And I didn't got it real super tight. It's good enough for now. We'll get more water jugs on every one of those double eyelet spots on here where we've already got the water. We'll put them all the way around before winter comes, before it gets too crazy. But we've got the stuff from the tree, the big oak leaves from the big tree. We're getting in here. Had a hard time with doing the siphon and getting those big leaves to come up through there. We actually had to get all the little stuff first and then attach one of those leaves with the suction, with the vacuum, or with the siphon effect of the vacuum, and bring it over to Chuck and then shake it loose, and then he'd get it with the with the skimmer on a piece of PVC, because we've only got one pole for this stuff. So we tag teamed it. Good job, Chuck. It was nice and clean. Like I said, we added 3 more gallons of chlorine. She's good to go for the winter. When we pull her off in the spring, it should take very little, other than probably vacuuming up some scummy stuff or whatever off the bottom of it. We'll have to give it a good vacuum with a good clean filter. And there you go. We tore the filter all down, drained everything there. It's all in the garage. We'll get it all put up for the winter. But I'm late. They're singing without me in there. It's about 20 after 6. So got to get in and do my evening service, and hope you all are as well. There isn't anything you can't do by yourself with the power of Jesus. I mean, I said, Lord, I need your help. It's just you and me. I'm going to need your help. And the wind just kind of got air underneath it. I mean, look, that's all the water we got in here, folks. That probably isn't maybe a gallon or 2 of water, if that. That's not bad. The rest of this thing is completely dry. That's not a bad gig. That's not a bad gig at all. We'll work on it a little bit more, but she's covered for now. Sherry will be happy. I'm happy. I'm going in to do church. Hang out. Godspeed. God bless. Love y'all. Thanks for hanging out and with me and living the farm life out here. I hope you're enjoying it. It's hard. It's hard on the back, man. It's hard on the back. The Lord will heal that too. Hang in there, y'all. We're praying for you. Pool cover's on.